common issues or challenges related to 12th Sustainable Development Goals are food loss, electricity consumption and water pollution. In this video, we will focus on the food loss issue. Every year, about 1/3 of all food produced equivalent to 1.3 billion tons is wasted. And there are 1 billion people remain undernourished and bed hungry in this world. Food waste refers to loss of food during any phase of the food supply chain which involves producers, processors, retailers, and consumer. Food waste is food loss or discarding or alternative use of food which is non-food use along the entire food supply chain from primary production to end household consumer level. The most common causes of food loss or damage during harvesting and loss during storage. First stage in the production line is the food loss during or post-harvesting. It may due to the bad weather condition, poor harvesting practice and diseases affecting. Second stage is the food loss when it is stored in the warehouse. Unsuitable storing temperature, humidity and infestation will lead to the food loss. Next, third stage is the food loss due to the logistic where the inappropriate vehicle is used and human error caused the food contamination. Besides, the technical issue due to the malfunctions of machines in the industry will also contribute part of the food loss and waste. After the manufacturing and processing stage, the food might be rejected by the retailers or the retailers fail to sell the food before the specific dates. The last stage of the production line is in the hospitality. Restaurants which having inappropriate portion size and poor stock management lead to the food loss. To solve the problem of food waste, digital technologies can be developed and applied along the food supply chain or food system from the farmers or other producers to the consumers. Food supply chain is a dynamic system consists of food brands, primary producers, processors, third-party actors, and other resources that involves various processes and governance. In short, the processes involve production, processing, distribution, consumption, and disposal. 75% of loss occurs before the products reach the grocery shelves, which may due to the reliance of antiquated technology. Why integrated supply chain? Integrated supply chain creates conditions for achieving greater accuracy in sales forecast. Besides that, it increases efficiency in managing the sales and promotions by better aligning retailers with suppliers. Last, it diminishes any potentially defective products which then reduces the food waste. Integrated supply chain is implemented to solve the food loss issue. Transparent path, connected sensors and AI technology are implemented to keep the food fresh and safe throughout the storage and transit. It can continuously monitoring temperature, humidity and location so that producers, truckers and warehouses can instantly be alerted. Performance tracking apps such as Power BI, IoT and Robotics process automation, RPA, can be implemented in the supply chain. It is also to track the food supply chain, monitor the whole route of product throughout the supply chain, reduce the reliance on human work, then reduce manual errors that cause food waste in long run. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, helps to integrate components of a company, including supply chain, by sharing and organizing information among participants at different levels. Supply Chain Event Management, SCEM, is a process of monitoring the planned sequence of activities systems along a supply chain and reporting any errors with the help of computerized monitoring devices. Radio Frequency Identification, RFID, systems track the position and movement of items. Power BI is a performance tracking app that acts as a supply chain optimization consultant. It can model and predict the performance of workshop activities by analyzing and connecting all the data such as fetching production, logistics and overall supply chain data, leading to a more accurate reporting and performance. Internet of Things, IoT, improves presence of things with RFID tags, sensors, and actuators. The IoT network is connected to sensor to capture data related to time and temperature, data obtained to be dynamically managed for better optimization. Then, the enhanced visualization capability is applied in real-time process. Robotics process automation, RPA, can be used in a shipping transaction so that no requirement of manual human intervention and can ensure consistency in paperwork. Electronic Data Interchange, EDI, automates the information transmission process, saving time.